Hey, welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off dark mode on Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Step 1. Launch Google Chrome on your phone. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Tap the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options. Step 3. Open Settings. You can find it near the bottom of the menu. This will take you to the settings page of Google Chrome. Step 4. Select Theme. You can find it under the Basics section. This will open a dialog box with three options: System Default, Dark, and Light. Step 5. Tap the button beside Light. This will change the theme of your browser to light mode. You can see the difference immediately on the settings page. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.